What's up, everybody, and welcome back to the channel. VP Tactical here, and today we are doing a upgrade that I've been wanting to do for just a little while now for the AP5. This will also work for the MP5, so on and so forth. We're going to go ahead and slap on a Midwest Industries front M-lock rail. And so basically what we're going to do is just unbox this bad boy here real quick. I'm going to pull this guy out. So what you're going to get is the rail. There actually comes with a little Picatinny adapter too, so you can put on other attachments like a light or another grip. And this particular manufacturer also happens to give you, which I'm really geeked about, a couple of stickers, but particularly the MP5 sticker, which is really cool. It looks like this is actually their newest variant, which actually they call their suppressor model. So where your suppressor essentially is tucked in here. So the end of the barrel and your tri-lug adapter essentially is right there, and this actually allows you to hide your suppressor, so to speak. So it'll blend in more with the gun. And then of course I threw in another big sticker. Anyway, let's go ahead and dive right in. And so what we're gonna do is take the pin out of the front here, and I'm going to take that front foregrip off. This is pretty much the same if you have the factory one from HK or if you have the one from AP5 that's already on there. And so this is going to be a really simple, easy install. Now this particular rail should come pre-assembled like this. If it's not, this piece, this loop, may have to be installed where you're going to put that loop in there and then you're going to tighten up these little Allen head keys. Otherwise, what we're going to do is go ahead and grab an Allen head key here. We're going to take that out and then go ahead and get this installed. Hang tight. All right, so I went ahead and got that out, used my Allen wrench, and essentially this is going to replace that pin that normally goes in the very front, to my understanding. And so what we're going to do is go ahead and just rock this bad boy into position, just like that. And then now you can see we got it like this. The threaded end's over here, so we're actually going to put the screw in on the other side. And so we're going to go ahead and thread that bad boy in. I might have to adjust it just a little bit to get that hole to line up just perfectly. There we go. And then we're going to go ahead and screw this bad boy in. You know, if you folks happen to like this content, I would certainly appreciate it if you want to help support my channel. Hit that like and subscribe button, and certainly don't forget that little bell notification. And that is it, ladies and gentlemen. That is how you install your Midwest Industries front rail. What's really cool about this, that I like, is that you've got all these M-lock slots on the sides, on the angle, and then of course on the bottom too as well. And then you have two QD mounts, one on each side. So pretty cool. These range anywhere from, if you catch them on sale, 115 to about 140 bucks, right in that range. Midwest Industries makes some really cool products. Put one of their optic attachments on my PSA GF3, and so far it's been solid. Absolutely love it. This particular one, I've already liked the fit and finish of it. It looks amazing, and I'm very pleased, like I said, overall with the Midwest Industries products. They are a little bit pricier, but kind of one of those things, you get what you pay for. Buy once, cry once. At any rate, be safe, stay vigilant. Hopefully you like this video, and if it was helpful, drop a comment below. We'll catch you on the next video, and I got more fun content coming. Take care.